I'm gonna do an unboxing of this right here from Masters Touch Fine Art Studio. 70-piece art set. That's what's all in it. Okay. That's all that's in it. So let's get unboxing, shall we? And this is the box, and this is what we're looking at here. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice, huh? Nice little handle there. Okay. Let's open it up. It's the first time I'm looking at this too. Trust me, guys. Oh. Don't need that. The SpongeBob-y thing. No. That's the stuff we got here. So the paints. That's the pencil sharpener. Some more watercolor palettes, I guess. I'm assuming that is. I think that's, yeah, forget what that's called. Scuffer and stuff. Some paintbrushes. There's the pens right there. Watercolor pens. Some tray thing. I think this is tray. Anyway, you get the picture. You know what a tray is. Anyway, these are the paints. Here we go. That's what we're working with there. So we are going to do art. That is the inside. Not how much we want to reveal here what this looks like, but yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, guess that's it. Just wanted to show you guys. Love ya. God bless you. Have fun. Get to creating.